Your computer might be sending data to the attacker, and you would never know. Normally, your computer sends data directly to the router to access the internet. ARP spoofing is when an attacker tricks your computer into sending data to them first, instead of the router. You still have internet. Everything looks normal, but someone is sitting in the middle. They can capture login credentials, see files being transferred, know who is accessing which internal server, and nobody in the company knows this is happening. You may not realize the attack is happening, but you can see the abnormal behavior it creates. AnySecura allows encrypted files to be used seamlessly within authorized environments. But once they leave the trusted environment, the files cannot be opened or may become corrupted. At the same time, detailed activity logs keep all data operations visible, enabling real-time detection of any abnormal behavior. You might not see the attack, but you will see the footprint it leaves behind.